Yes, this is the iPhone 8 and broken LCD display and back cover. Yes, now we make to remove the back cover first. Then now we use the hot air. This is non-original. If the original really hard to take out the crystal. Yes, don't allow it to make small part. If it broke in a small part, we take more time to remove. Downside. The downside is a exclamation of Khmer. It means when we do something wrong immediately, we have exclamation word. The downside. In sometimes in English we say my God. Yes, now it already so we collect the scraper or the piece or broken through away. Now use this method to remove it, yes, by rotate on the glue. Then we make like this. Yes, before we take off all the part of crystal, we make clean with the thinner. This thinner is a very strong gasoline for cleaning the glue. Yeah, now this is the LCD, yeah, display LCD, and it broken also, so that we need to replace both LCD and back cover. Then now we screw out the bottom screw. And then we use the razor to open it. Yeah, open like this, and use the fingernail or the thumbnail. Yes, it is broken, so we no need necessary to protect. Dùng sân mà down. Yeah, you see this is the connector of camera. Yes. Now we use some alcohol to remove it. This is the front camera and sensor. The sensor to know the brightness or darkness, and to know when we put on the ear. Yes. And this is the true tone sensor, and this is the ear sensor. And this is the speaker hole. The big speaker here, and the sound goes through this way, through this hole. Yeah, now this is the broken, so throw it away. Yeah, this is the spare part. This is the back cover, high quality, and this is the LCD. Yes, it is high quality also. Yeah, now we try to, oh, we don't have password, but very lucky that we have the easy touch on the screen. Yes, now ready test. I install it. Yeah, now we put on the front speaker. khối cồn bát cháo bát. Yeah, now we try to remove the camera lens and replace with the new one. But one of the bad some nine yes it low the net dust net, so we instead by the close the dust filter. Yeah, good. Yes, and now it is white glow. Very good, very good. បាទអានេះយើងកាត់ចេញពីនេះដាក់ទៅម្ដងបាទលុបមកស្អាត Yeah, now already replaced with the quality of back cover, and this is also the best quality of camera lens, and this is the best quality LCD. Yeah, now we replace LCD back cover and camera lens. Now ready, when ready, we free the watch, we free the touch screen. Now the battery is empty. Thank you for watching. រួចរាល់ហើយបងប្អូនស្តង់ដារតែបងនេះដូរ screen ចកដូរនេះដូរនោះ